is here for another review. Finally on Dan Backer Thompson. Check out my other channel, Dan Backer Entertainment. Check out J Joseph channel, J Joseph Vlogs, and J Joseph and Dan Backer. Dan Backer and J Joseph. Then
Hi James.
so yes, today I'll be reviewing Dr. Sonic Screwdriver Wave 2. First, I'll go through the details. So you can see it's like cracked. Then there's a big lead. Then there's a knob. Up and down. 4 sound effects as I counted. The knob can come off. And these activate the sounds. So when this is down, you have to press this one to come up with the sounds. Are you back? Okay. Extending, you have to press this one. See? Doesn't work. Same with here. When you have it down, try and press that. Doesn't work. So yeah. Excellent. So that is my latest one. Kind of. Now, next Sonic Screwdriver. The 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. Pause sound effects. And you can see here, it's the non-extended version from Wave 2. Now, River Songs feature Sonic Screwdriver from Wave 1. It has one sound effect, but can have this, and with the original, you can take the cap off, still take the cap off on this one. And there's this. Then you use so press the button, but it doesn't shine red. It doesn't matter, I don't really mind. So yeah. And then the Masters Laser Sonic Screwdriver with 2 sound effects. I died. Doesn't make that sound anymore. So yeah. It's kind of got spring. So yeah, these are all my Sonic Screwdrivers. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe, and like for more videos. Bye! There's James. That's James! Bye.
So